Morning everybody, welcome on my channel. This is Furnace Abbey. I've just been flying the drone. I'm going to just go in and have a look, but it's worth a little visit. I mean, it's not a full Abbey, but it's worth coming up and have a look. Well, these are like tomb heads and parts of the building that they've probably dug up out of the ground. I'm trying to figure out where it's going on. They know where it's going, but there's probably no walls left for it. But the architecture is still pretty noticeable. I mean, it won't be done in this way nowadays. It might last for a long time. Be too expensive. Bits from graves. So there you go. Let's have a look at the prices. So if you want to have a go in and have a walk around, it's £10.50 for an adult. Concessions are £9. But it's a bit far out of the way. It's right on a peninsula kind of thing, up in Barrow Furnace. So yeah, old building there. Apparently some farm took over and put this up, but not sure what it's about. It looks abandoned to me. Anyway, we'll have a little walk round and get some pictures. So guys, this might not be the normal expected video from myself. It's not to everybody's taste, but I like these kind of buildings, historic memories, our history, our culture, that kind of thing. And people try to preserve it and maintain that knowledge so we don't lose it. It's a bit of a distance out. It's worth coming. Not a great deal here, but the town's not a bad town, Barrow Furnace. But make up your own minds. But I've got a lovely day, so I'm going to go fly the drone, see what we can see. I'm going to put some pictures on this as well. quite big features here. Part of the building. You've seen a look inside the reception. Some of those. Probably the buildings aren't there anyway. They've got some of the can't fit with the walls up there. Probably got plans for how this will build. Got the ground layout. Very good knowledge of these people, these architects that look at this sort of stuff. I wouldn't be surprised if there weren't a virtual reality Abbey built on the computer on the web somewhere. It's worth looking for. I know they do that kind of thing in some other places, more famous Abbey. But like I say, it's kind of a bit of my passion. So take it from there, and think it would have been as busy as what is in there today. There's probably about 8 groups of people, some children, so obviously I've kept my drone out of the way. I just wanted the building. There is some people walking around, but it is what it is. So down this end is probably where maybe a lot of the living quarters were, what I understand, maybe over the far side there. And if you do come up here, when you get down Manor Road, there to the right, there's a little car park down here. It can take, it's about 30 cars or so. So even if it gets busy, there's usually spaces. And then there's a little cafe down there, which I'm going to go and get a drink. But if you like it, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, just tell me in the comments it's not your sort of thing. Fair enough. If it's not, I'm sorry. I brought something to attention. But it's something I like. There'll be other people out there that like this sort of thing. So thanks for watching. If you have, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, think about it. Just do it. Anyway, catch you on the next one.